want to do is that we want to ensure that in each area, so we have Odusi as the boundary of here, we have Moronfolu near Pako at the boundary this way, we have the jetty, and then we have the Ilaje road as the boundary. Now, so within that 12 plots, we expect you to cover randomly like 5 areas, but let it be representative. It's not as if you go to 5 houses in this area and that's it. By the time you put the GPS coordinates, and in fact, because it's taking it from the satellite, it will all just push together. But when it is distributed well, the distance will be far apart and we'll be able to see it. Then another thing is that we don't just want you to go to any house. Because you live here, you know some of the houses that have maybe borehole, like those ones that they were saying borehole is not functional, things like that. You probably know some of those places. So it would be nice to go there. You will take the water sample, check it with these kits. You will write the name of the street. We don't need name of people. And the reason why we are writing street name is just so that we can locate it. You understand? Then you will have the GPS coordinates. For those of you with Android phone, we will teach you how to download GPS coordinates on Google Maps, on Google Play, Google Store. You download it, they will teach you how to operate it and get the coordinates of that area. Now, the area where you are putting the coordinates is the area where you collected the water to sample. So what we will do after this session today, we will come one last time, and at that time is when we actually go to the field. So we'll go to the field with you, check those things at least for the first time, and then thereafter we'll be comfortable that you can do it on your own.